Hello everybody, Sylvia here. Today I am driving to the start of a recumbent ride with BARC, Bay Area Recumbent Cycling. I have left Fremont, California, and I am traveling for pretty close to an hour to the Sacramento Delta. I'm following Leslie and Paula in their truck. They've got their trikes in the back, and I gotta stay close so that I don't get lost. It's a little overcast and cloudy, and it's very possible it's going to be foggy when we get to the Delta. All right, let's go. So we are going through a toll booth. I do not have the transponder, and so I'm going to have to look up my license plate later to pay for this. As we approach the Delta, it seems like we're in thicker fog than when we left. It is still pretty early. It's about 9:30 in the morning. So hopefully this will burn off. Crossing the Sacramento River to Rio Vista. Just crossed into Solano County. And Rio Vista is our destination, so we must be very close.
Slight right onto California 84, then turn right onto North Foot Street.
Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and I am in Rio Vista on the Sacramento Delta on a foggy, misty morning. Got Paula and Leslie, and then Tim and Russell on two-wheel recumbents. So the three trikes have electric assist, and the two-wheelers do not. And we're going to be doing a ride through the Sacramento Delta this morning. Oh, it looks like there's a car show here in the parking lot where we're starting. A beautiful GTO and Chevy truck. Look at these old timers. Beautiful Ford. Look at these guys. Beautiful Ford F100. Ford Matic. Beautiful. How low this one is.
Oh, you did? Oh, it's my favorite truck. It's like the best looking truck.
It looks like they're doing a
And I sold,
toy drive.
I sold it because those darn things cost like 30, 40 grand today. You know, good stuff.
Going through the little town of Rio Vista, passing a museum. Seems like a Christmas fair going on. All right, so we are almost to a ferry that we are going to be taking to an island. And Braden on another two-wheel just joined us. We're coming up to the ferry now. Oh. Real McCoy, number 2 ferry. Wait here. So here's the ferry coming across the river. I think it runs whenever people show up, and I'm gonna dock here a second and let the cars off, and then we'll get on. So we are riding just right along the Sacramento River. We are on Ryer Island, And we're about to take another ferry to, I think it's Hogback Island. And this area is about 30 miles from Sacramento and maybe 20 miles from San Francisco Bay, where the river joins the Pacific Ocean.
It's actually a really cool road.
This ferry appears to be closed, so we are improvising, turning around.
Like I said, on the Caltrans side, it doesn't say, I just looked at it yesterday, it didn't say anything about being closed.
Yeah, it must be, maybe it's just a temporary closure. Yep, so we're discussing our options and we're going to make a change to the route, perhaps making this more than a 40-mile ride, which I think for the group that we have will be just fine. So yeah, we'll see what we end up doing. All right, so still kind of a misty day. It's probably in the low 50s. It's a bit cold. And we're riding on a levee. So we've got agriculture on one side. There's a lot of orchards here, a lot of pear and apple orchards and vineyards. And then we're on a bridge here.
Oh, now she's here, now everybody's got to get in.
Photo op. And then we're crossing a river.
Good. Cheese.
Cheese. Queso. Hi, goaties. All these goaties, they just came running over to say hi. Lots of ducks, chickens. See you later. Nice seeing you. Lots of roosters. The levee of Area Island is closed to the public. So this has been a 3-county ride. We have been in Sacramento County, Solano County, and Yolo County, riding the levees of the Sacramento Delta. So I think we're on the last 10 miles of this ride, and the fog has lifted. It's still quite cold though, and gray, but fabulous area for biking. The roads just hardly have any traffic, and you're up a little bit higher on these levees, and so you get pretty nice view of the river and the scenery. beautiful day out here at Sacramento Delta. This ferry is called the Real McCoy 2. It doesn't cost anything. It runs 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We've got a few cars on there. And we're waiting with my recumbent buddies. Following the sign to wait. Now it's our turn. All right, so this ride is coming to an end. It's just been beautiful. And of course, as the forecast said, the sun has come out and we've got blue skies. Just so beautiful when the sun is out. Not as gray as it was for a lot of the ride, but gorgeous area, the Sacramento Delta. And it's an area I have wanted to explore for years and years. And I definitely want to come back and explore some more. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this ride. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from everybody. And please stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. And this is the King Tide. It's actually maybe the highest point of the King Tide, and you can see how these trucks, the water has come up the boat ramp, and the trucks are actually, they have to be in the water to load up their boats. Pretty impressive, huh? Look at this, so funny. So this is King Tide, Rio Vista, and people are out here with their RC boats in the high tide waters of the boat launch. It's very funny.